Good evening, guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to be a professional chef. As you can see, I am well known to this game, and I can teach you how to cook food and delicious appetites. Now let's play and wait for it to load. So, first, you need to take some good and sturdy restaurant. So first, get yourself a lot or a vacant to get a place that you can load your restaurant. As you can see, I have day 93 and 1643 cash inside of my save. So we're just gonna press delete. Okay, just press delete and then we're okay. Just look at that, and we're going to start our day with 8 people. Okay, now we should wait until they will order some food, because first thing they will order is a drinks. I don't know why they order drinks first before food. Well, I think that's the restaurant. That's how the restaurant works. No, wait. Okay, that's how the restaurant works. So now we need to wait. When someone orders some food, I'm going to teach you how to cook, guys. Okay, no sweat and no worries. Okay, we're going to start cooking later on. Spaghetti and meatballs. Okay, there's the okay, there's the list here, so we're gonna start cooking now. Okay, there's a list now, so I'm gonna take the order. Just press E to get the order. Okay, go to your station and then start cooking. We're going to cook kimchi, so I'm gonna teach you how to cook it. No sweat, no worries. Okay, start by rapidly clicking. So chop the carrots. As you can see, we're going to chop and then put some pepper and then put some ketchup. Okay, now we're going to this cabinet. Take the bowl and then mix it all up, and that's how you make some kimchi. So another order again, we're going to take it and then let's make a ravioli. Okay, so wait okay, so chop some carrots again and then put some pepper and then go to your cooking station and then boil some water and then okay, that's all. Okay, there's another order. Okay, there's a bunch of orders now. Let's try to cook it. Okay, we're going to cook hot dog. This is basic. Okay, this is pretty basic. No sweat. Let's start cooking. Okay, cook some meats to make a hot dog, then put it in the exact time, so no sweat, and then put some ketchup there. That's how you make hot dog. So let's start cooking again. So mochi, let's see. Okay, go to your cooking station, boil some water. No, I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook mochi. Help, somebody. I don't know how to cook mochi. Help, everybody, evacuate. Help, help, help. guys, get up. There's a wow.